Now let's move on to Google presentation. It's very similar with Microsoft PowerPoint, but again, Google tools are cloud-based, so it's more accessible and handy when needed. Now let's try to make a presentation. As you can see, there are also toolbars uh, that you can use, very similar with Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's try to make a presentation like how to cook instant noodles. Let's make this for a presentation. And you can see you can also choose which font style you want by Comic Sans, MS, and the oh sorry about that. Let's also center align it. Okay. Now let's add another slide. Oh sorry about that. You can also change background colors, layout, change theme to make it more presentable, but since we're just doing a demo, I'll just stick with this plain one. You can also download themes in different websites for free. Let's try changing layout. How about one column text here? Steps. One, water, in, in green, water, boil, next, open, the instant noodles, add hot water, close the lid, let it stay for 2 minutes or until cooked, ready to eat. There you have it. Let's try to present this or start the presentation. You can see we can navigate using the left and right direction arrow keys. You can also try adding animations. For example, slide, no transition, apply to all slides. Here, let's highlight this one and add animation like, let's change this. Zoom out, for example, and let's play for us to see it there, as you can see. Let's try to play it again or start the presentation. Now you can see the animation, and then here, steps. Okay, now we're done with Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's try another Google application or tools that is also being commonly used. It's the Google Form. When doing like a questionnaire or surveys, this will come in handy. For example, we're doing a test paper, like let's say test or quiz one, and let's add a question. For example, complete name, complete name. Here you can see types of or how you want answers to be presented: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes. It will depend on your preference. Since we're using complete name as our question, the answer must be in short answer. And let's try another. Let's try adding another question. Like for example, what will complete name? Samples or section. Your short answer again. And lastly, time. Time you started, and automatically Google Forms sometimes can detect it and give you the right type of form of answer that you will use at that time. And you can all since this is the first section, we can also add another section where it will be now the main where will the will where this section will contain the test or the questioners or the questions I mean that we should that the person going to use or going to answer this form title section. For example, say this is a piece for like kinder students. Question one. Oh, sorry about that. Let's add a let's add a question first. Question one. First letter of the alphabet. Say multiple choice. Let's add options. Option one, let's say letter B. Let's add another option. Letter D, A, and R. Now it is done. For us to view if if we like this or if we have done the correct form, you can just click this